Question number 1. Here I is given as integration of 1 by x minus x cube dx. So observing this, you see it's a rational function. One is a constant polynomial and this is a polynomial. Whenever you get integrand is a rational function, then partial fraction method is applicable. So in this case, you have to use partial fraction method. For that, let us factorize this. And if you factorize it, it will be integration of 1 by x into x into 1 minus x square dx. Now you see, it is integration of 1 by x into 1 minus x square, 1 minus x into 1 plus x dx. Now let us use method of partial fraction. Let simple 1 by x times 1 minus x, 1 plus x equals to a by x plus b over 3 factors are there, so 1 minus x, and c by simply write 1 plus x. A, B, C are any numbers we have to find out. So for this, what's the procedure? Take this, multiply throughout to each and every term of this equation. Here it will be 1, x will be cancelled out, a times 1 minus x, 1 plus x, plus b times, in denominator 1 minus x is present, so 1 plus x and into x, and then plus c times 1 minus x into x. This much you will get. After this, as you have to find out value of a, b and c, so we will try to eliminate b, c or a, b like that. If we want to eliminate a, then if we take any number, real number, you can consider for x. If you consider x equal to 1, you see 1 minus 1, a will be eliminated. And 1 minus 1, c will be eliminated. So for x equal to 1, then in the left hand side it is 1, a vanished, and c is also eliminated. Now here 1 plus 1 into 1, that 1 plus 1, 2 into 1, 2, it will be 2b. Then you will get b equals to 1 by 2. Next you take x equal to say negative 1. Then from here, left hand side fixed, it is 1. In right hand side, x negative 1, so it will be 0, this term vanished. Here also x negative 1, then b will be eliminated. And here you see, if you take x negative 1, 1 plus 1, that will be 2. 2c again into x negative 1. So minus 2c will be here. And you will get c as negative 1 by 2. So you obtain b and c. Now just you have to get the value of a. So for that, you take the value of x in such a way so that a should not be vanished. So let us take x equals to 0, then b vanished, c eliminated, both this term will be eliminated. So for x equal to 0, left hand side as it is constant, so it will be 1 equals to, here 0, 1 minus 0 and 1 plus 0. So ultimately it will be a, these two will be eliminated. You will get a equal to 1. After that, integration of this, that means I. So we can write, therefore I equals to, a is what? 1. So integration of 1 by x dx. B is what? 1 by 2. So let me write plus 1 by 2 here, integration of 1 by 1 minus x dx. And c is your negative half, so minus half, integration of 1 by 1 plus x dx. After that you see, integration of 1 by x is your log x. Then it is 1 minus x. So do one thing, write here minus half, then it will be x minus 1. Then integration of 1 by x minus 1, just you can write log of modulus x minus 1. And here also you can give modulus. And here it is minus half 1 by 1 plus x. Integration of log x, 1 by x is log x. So integration of 1 by x plus 1 or x plus 2 or x minus 3, whatever is it, that is also log of x plus that much. So here it will be minus half log of x plus 1 and constant of integration. And if you want, you can keep the answer like this way using the properties of log. Log x as it is, log x as it is, and then it is minus half to minus half. Here the log of this plus log of this, you can write log of modulus x minus 1 and x plus 1, just you can write x square minus 1. This you can give modulus sign here, and plus what, c. Or you can write here log of, it is what, x, just by using property of log, this will be as a power x square minus 1 whole to the power half. If you want, you can write this way, log of under root over x square minus 1. You can remove the modulus sign, then positive square root we will take here, plus 1 c. So finally the simplified answer will be log of, log a minus log b is what, log of a by b. That's why you can write log of x divided by root over x square minus 1 plus c. This is your answer. So we have solved the question number 1. Now we are going to take question number 2. Now let us see question number 2. Here I equals to integration of 1 over root over x plus a plus root over x plus b. For this you have to do rationalization of the denominator. For this, just integration of 1 by, and if you rationalize this, it will be root over x plus a plus root over x plus b into conjugate of this like that, root over x plus a minus root over x plus b. And here also you will multiply root over x plus a as well as root over x plus b, root over x plus a minus root over x plus b. So just taking conjugate of this, we have multiplied with the numerator as well as in the denominator. Now what happens, see, it becomes a simple problems. Here it is root over x plus a minus root over x plus b as it is, whole thing divided by a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So it will be your x plus a minus x plus b with respect to x dx. Then here plus x minus x cancel out, a minus b, which are just constant or numbers, so you can take out of the integral a minus b. Integration. So what is left, root over x plus a minus root over x plus b dx. Then easily you can solve it, 1 by a minus b integration. Root over x plus a means what? In exponential form you can write whole to the power half dx minus 1 by a plus a minus b integration. This in exponential form it will be x plus b whole to the power half dx. After that simple, x to the power n is what? X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here also simple, it will be 1 by a minus b into x plus a whole to the power half plus 1, that will be your 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus 1 over a minus b as it is, integration of x plus b whole to the power half plus 1, that will be 3 by 2 divided by half plus 1, so it will be 3 by 2 plus c. So final step, you can, it will be what, 2 by 3, you can take common 2 by thrice of a minus b, you see common here, 2 by thrice of a minus b, 2 by thrice of a minus b. So what is left, x plus a whole power 3 by 2 minus x plus b whole power 3 by 2 within brackets and constant of integration c. So it's over. This was your question number 2. Now we are going to take your question number 3. In question number 3, I equals to integration of 1 by x times under root over ax minus x square dx. Now it's not matching with any standard integrals. Then here is a special kind of substitution And when we will substitute x equals to a by t, it means let x equals to a by t. This step you have to remember. Then it becomes integrable, or you can say it reduces to standard integral. Now if x equals to a by t, then from here this will give you, with respect to x, if you differentiate, dx equals to minus a by t square dt. Then I reduces to what you see, I equals to integration and 1 by x is what, a by t, so let us put a by t into under root over, then a as it is, and x is what, a by t, so I will write a by t, minus x is what, a by t, x square will be a square by t square, so simple write a square by t square. So next dx, so implies dx is minus a by t square, so let me write here minus a by t square dt. Now simplification part is there, equals to, so let me give minus sign here, here it is a and this a cancelled out, you see, or you can write this way, here it is directly a and minus a cancelled out. Now it is your integration, it is something by t, so let me write t here, divided by under root over a square by t, a square by t minus a square by t square, this term, into, here it is only 1 by t square dt. I repeat, don't get confused, it is a by t, something by t in the denominator, so this t will come in the numerator, this t, and it is just minus a by t square, so a cancelled out, so 1 by t square here, and this negative sign I have written here. After that, minus integration, this t and this t cancel out, so here it is 1 by, and as it is t square, only t will be left, into root over, take LCM here, it is t square, then here what will come, a square t minus a square and dt. I repeat this step, t square t, LCM I have taken t square, so t and t square, so a square into t minus t square here, LCM t square, so only a square will be there, equal to minus integration of 1 by, so from root over, if you this t square come out as a t, it will come out, this t and this t square when you will take out, it will cancel out, and a square, let me write a here under root over t minus 1, under root over t minus 1 dt. Let me repeat this line. If you simplify this part, it is a square common, so take out under from root over, if you take out a square, then outside a you have to write, and it is your t square, that means I mean to say a square by t square taken out, so if you take out a square by t square, it will come as a by t, dt cancel out, a will be left, dt, a is a simple number, so equals to minus 1 by a into integration of, you can write this t minus 1 whole to the power negative half dt, and all of you know integration of this is minus 1 by a, integration of this is simple, that will be t minus 1 minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1 and plus c. After that, you have to just calculate this, in this way you can calculate c equal to minus 1 by a, and 1 minus half is what, that is 1 by 2, 1 minus half is 1 by 2, so into, so it is 2, and into here also t minus 1 whole to the power 1 by 2 plus c as it is. Just simplification part. Let me explain. 1 minus half is half. So in the denominator 1 by 2 is present. That's why it will come as a 2 in the numerator. And t minus 1 whole to the power 1 minus half, that is half. Now this is nothing but minus 2 by a, and t minus 1 whole to the power half. In radical form you can write under root over t minus 1 plus c. This is your answer, and this was the solution of question number 3. Let me repeat the steps. Here minus 1 by a into t minus 1 whole to the power minus half. In exponential form we have written dt. And integration of this known to us t minus 1 whole to the power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. And then if you simplify this, it is 1 by 1 minus half 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. 1 minus half 1 by 2 in the denominator. So in the numerator it will come as 2. So it is your 2. 1 minus half. So directly I have written 2. So that's it. Minus 2 by a. And t minus 1 whole to the power half can be written as under root over t minus 1 plus c. This is the solution of question number 3. Now we are going to take question number 4. Now finally one step was left. It is the answer in terms of t which is correct, but as we assumed as x equals to a by t, it was our assumption. Then t will be what? T will be your a by x. That you have to replace. In terms of x you have to give the answer. So equals to minus 2 by a as it is into, and t is nothing but under root over a by x minus 1 plus c. So finally you can write minus 2 by a into under root over, it is your a minus x by x plus c. This is your answer. So in terms of x you have to give the answer. Thank you.